Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to re-download your deleted PS4 games and where to find those in your library. So let's go back to the home screen here, and I'm going to delete this game. So you can see it's some like free-to-play game, 3-on-3 freestyle. So I'm going to press options on this and then go to delete. And it says you can find this in your library, but it's going to be under the purchase section. So let's go all the way to the right now, go to library, and then going down to purchased. So you can see where it says all, this is everything on your PS4 currently. This isn't all your games, so it's kind of fake with that. We want to go down to purchased. This is where the games are going to be if we bought them on our account, and they should still be listed here. Just go to it and select it, and then there should be an option to download it. Now, if someone is sharing a game with you, you're going to have to switch on over to their account and do this on their account. So I have like 4 or 5 different games like Minecraft from my first account, and it's getting shared with my second account. So if I want to go ahead and just download those again, I need to switch over to this account and then go on over to library. And you're going to see this account is going to be very different. So since I am sharing my games, I have my PS4 activated as primary. Even though I download it on my other account, you can see this game showing up on here. But let's go on over to library. Going down, and you can see I have 544 games on this account. So activate your PS4 as primary, make sure you're on the correct account, and you can share your games with every other account on your PS4. So you can see this right here, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Studios.